Alright, so we're fixing to do the install on the trim switch, the Yamaha trim switch with the insert my father and I made. There's been a bunch of questions about this. No, this doesn't twist. There's a set screw in the back that holds that. This is only for the Tohatsu multifunction tiller. This isn't for Suzuki, this isn't for Mercury, this is just for the Tohatsu multifunction tiller. I'm going to list everything you need to do the install. It's fairly simple. So here we go. Thanks. All right, this is everything you need for the install. Snippers, X-Acto knife, butt connectors, heat shrink, Phillips head screwdriver, quarter 20 drill bit, a pilot drill bit, the tap, step bit, 5/8 tap, Dremel, the insert, and the trim. Take that bottom cover off of the tiller.
Let me hold it up for you.
Take the throttle off. Drill you a pilot hole. Use you a washer, make you a mark so you'll stay straight. And use your X-Acto knife to cut that out. Drill that out with the step bit. Make sure that's big enough where it'll spin for you so you can test it. Open the hole up with a Dremel or an X-Acto knife, whichever one you got. File. Make sure that fits in there snug.
We gotta tap that.
And tap that out. Tap that tiller arm out with the 5/8 tap. Make sure it stays straight. That's how far you're gonna tap it. Make sure the insert screws all the way down flush. Pick your orientation for how your trim switch is gonna be mounted. However you want that, and mark that with a Sharpie. Eighth-inch drill bit, number 7 drill bit. Quarter 20 tap. Yeah, it was broke. Cut you a hole in that grommet right there at the bottom of the throttle. Use a flathead screwdriver to open that hole up a little bit. Your wires should look like this before you put them through the hole. There's a piece of heat shrink that goes over the top of this. You can peel that all the way back. Run your wires through the hole. This is what it looks like once the wires are ran through.
Let me pull it back up.
Yeah. Through that grommet, a little bit of thread lock on.
somebody calls for 30 minutes, he said, they're gonna be back. He's like, I texted Jenna and she said that, I said, Josh told me to get with you. I said, yeah.
Blue is up,
Pink is down.
pink is down,
Red is hot.
red is hot. Tie all your wires together. Everything's tied together where your wires are gonna be zip tied to. That's what it should look like. Maybe hand. Make sure your throttle goes back into that slot and that slot. There and the bottom cover back on. Put the screw back in your throttle. Tighten your set screw up and you're done.
Going the right direction, ain't it?
Yeah.